What is up, my dudes? Welcome back to Daily Diecast. Today, I have 3 awesome Hot Wheels to crack open. They are all from the factory 500 horsepower set. I found them today on the pegs, and I'm super amped. Let's jump right into the video with this Cadillac Cts-V. Let's look at this awesome card work. You know, I'm not a card collector, but if I was, I would definitely keep a set of these, because these are really good looking. It's almost like they took the old school blue card package and then fixed it. Because back then they had all the cars like burning out, but they were all burning out with their front wheels, even when they were a rear-wheel drive vehicle. So it's kind of funny. So it looks like they kind of fixed that. Let's look at the back real quick. Let's take a look at all the different cars you could potentially find. Very cool set. Very awesome. Looks like there's 10 in total. All right, let's go ahead and start cracking them open. And let's have a look-see. I was stoked to find these. All right, here we go. Cadillac is coming out. And right off the bat, this is a quality casting. Nice black metallic paint. Let's get a little bit more light because black is really hard to film. Nice. 10-spoke wheels. Roll down windows, blacked out headlights, and grille looks pretty good. Okay, we got a little bit of taillight detail. Let's check that out. Cadillac emblem looks pretty good. Tails look good. CTS, excellent. Very cool casting. Stoked to find that one. Got a very light gray plastic base. Nice. Definitely the best Cadillac in my collection so far. Very good looking. Alright, let's put that one right there for now. Let's move that packaging and let's get to the next one. We got us a beautiful Mclaren 720S. Got a couple of these in the collection, but not this one. Very awesome casting. Love supercars, but who doesn't, you know? So awesome. There's so many awesome cars out there. There we go. All right. Beautiful Superman blue paint. Very smooth, high quality. Again with the 10 spokes, this time they're in gunmetal. This casting never has side view mirrors, but it's all good. It's just the way it is. Oh, wow. But this time the front looks really nice. Let's see if I can get that to focus a little bit better. It's kind of hard because it's so tiny, but it does say McLaren on the hood. And the headlights just look really nice. Black interior. And there's the base. Excellent. Excellent. All right, so the last one up, if you guys know me, you could probably guess. But of course, it's gonna be the Lamborghini, the Huracan LP 610-4. Look at that awesome card. So sick. Beautiful black paint with yellow accents. Oh my goodness, so rad. This is one of my favorite Hot Wheels I've picked up in a while, even before I take it out of its blister. There we go. Oh my goodness, look at this awesome car. It's got black Wi-Fi wheels. Now again, this casting always has rolled up windows and no side view mirrors. This time we got a gray interior. Check out that crazy square steering wheel. Love it. There's the engine chilling back there. And here we go. There is the headlight and Lamborghini detail. Lamborghini emblem detail, I should say. Excellent. No tails. It looks like with this set you either get one or the other. You either get headlights or you get taillights. That's all good. I prefer to have headlights, of course. Sick. Really nice paint job. Great job, Hot Wheels. Killed it with this whole collection. So sick. Alright, you guys, those were my 3 hits of the day. Which one was your favorite? Which was your least favorite? Please let me know down in the comments below. And if you happen to be new here, my name is J-Dog, and I post Hot Wheels and Matchbox videos every single day. And if you're into that kind of content, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And I will see you guys tomorrow.